Assalamualaikum guys. Today I will be sharing tic-tac-toe game with you that I made in Visual Studio Code using C++ language. It's not that complex to make, but you can really enjoy while playing it in your free times with your friends. So let's start it. First letter of the coordinates indicates the rows and second letter of the coordinates indicates columns. After running the program, player 1 will be asked to enter the coordinates of the place where he wants to play his first move. After entering the coordinates, the second player will be asked to put his coordinates. When there will be total of three coordinates matched diagonally or vertically or horizontally, then that player will win. After playing the whole game, it the program will check every time the any player enters the coordinates. It will check at every move which player wins. After showing who wins, the program ends, and that's it. It automatically tells which player wins. So now I will show you my code and how it works. First of all, I made an input function which gets the input from the user and it updates the array according to it. Then I made a show function which shows the updated game every time it runs, every time it gets input from the user. And then I made check column, check rows, and check diagonal functions. And I made another function with name check, which uh, which includes all three of the functions. As you can see, all the functioning of the functions, all the working of the functions, and its usage. I made a loop that runs the game according to the grid size. Means if the grid size is 3 by 3, it will run 9 times, and if it's 4 by 4, it will run 16 times. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from it. And thanks for watching.